This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Sugarloaf Mountain Region AACA swap meet down here in Maryland. Checking out this very, very unusual fiberglass, early fiberglass. Look at how the grill is mounted in there. This is built on Ford, on the Ford chassis. It's got an overhead valve in it. Interesting. The door is cut down. Door is steel. First production fiberglass body made in the U.S. One of four known to exist. A Lancer. Interesting. Now I always thought the Woodhill Wildfire was the first fiberglass car. I'm going to leave it up to you folks to find out and see. There's a whole bunch of parts from it. I'm going to bop around to the other side. Bear with me. Look at the construction over here. Interesting. Fascinating. I wanted to get the details as much as possible. I'm going to pull back for you now. The wheel cutouts are interesting. You can see how thick the glass is over there. Wow. I like the hood with the scoop. Again, early and lost fiberglass. Powered by an overhead valve Ford. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com. Checking out the fiberglass Lancer. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com. While you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.